Managing box numbers on a packout is one of the most frustrating parts of contents work. When done manually, box labeling is slow, error-prone, and inconsistent. Packers build whole homegrown systems just to avoid overlap. And mistakes don't surface until you're back at the warehouse. That's if everything goes right. Throw in typos, illegible handwriting, and a basement with no cell signal, and it gets worse, fast. Meet Scan to Pack QR codes. Kill the guesswork before it starts. Before the job, generate your QR code labels from the web app. Each code is unique, so no two boxes can collide, even when you're offline. Choose your sheet format. Add custom tags and color coding for special callouts. Job information pre-populates in the text label, but can be further customized to your needs. Set the number of sheets and export to PDF. Print your labels with any standard or thermal printer. Labels are clean and professional with easy-to-read box IDs. In the field, when it's time to assign a box, point your phone at the label and scan. Because each code is unique, your techs don't have to worry about duplicate box numbers or memorizing a naming convention. Working offline? No problem. Everything syncs when you reconnect, so dead zones don't slow you down. If you need to reassign an item to a different box, just open the item details and scan a new label. Later, open the box manager in the app and easily scan the box number to see what's inside. No more Sharpies, no more overlap, no more time lost to broken processes. Scan to Pack QR codes, available now in Encircle. Update your app and start scanning.